Would you like to build an e-commerce business without keeping stocks? Try Goten.com. Goten.com is a leading dropshipping platform founded by the Zongteng Group since 2007. It stands out by integrating the group's supply chain resources such as Goodkang, Unexpress, and WorldTech, and our team is built up by the pioneers in the cross-border e-commerce business field of China. Now, Goten offers global sellers over 20,000 quality SKUs in 26 main product categories, and over 100 new product listings come out every month. With big data-based product research and direct factory outlets, each sale of the item shows a great profit for our platform users. Goten can ship your order within 24 hours from our global warehouses, with 2 to 8 days fast delivery and 90-day after-sales service. Goten is a supply chain network connecting manufacturers and retailers. Join us and you can enjoy the effective customs clearance, free and fast logistics, convenient local warehouses, and flexible cash flow. On Goten.com, an order is placed every 8 seconds on average, and over 20,000 sellers and suppliers have chosen us. With Goten, drop shipping made easy.